Hi, I'm Karen for Expert Village. We've prepared our stock, our chicken, and our noodles for our soup. Now I'd like to prepare some carrots to put into the soup. We'll peel some carrots like this. I'm going to show you two ways to cut it. If you can have little baby chunks of carrots if you like, or we could do circles. So it's just a matter of preference. For circles, peel the carrot and just cut little discs. Now if you like it more stew-like, you can cut them very wide. And it's just a matter of preference whether the texture that you like. Now children tend to like little teeny pieces. Just peel the carrot and trim it. Cut it in quarters, half there, and quarters. And then cut it in small, even pieces. Now we're going to simmer that in our chicken stock before we add our noodles and our chicken.